start by making our half square triangle units. We're going to make a total of 4 per block, and you need 4 blocks for this. So you'll need a total of 16 half square triangle units. So to begin, you're going to cut out 3-inch squares in the white and gold. Once you have these cut, you're going to take your white and you're going to lay it on your mat with a marking pencil, a ruler, or magic wand. You're going to find your center of your diagonal line of your diagonal line of your square. Once you have that diagonal line, you're going to mark 1/4 of an inch on either side of that diagonal line. You're going to use your magic wand or your ruler, and you're going to place this on top and mark your 1/4 of an inch lines on either side. Then you're going to take this and your gold square, and you're going to lay them with right sides facing each other, and you're going to lay them down and make sure your points match up on the diagonals. Your lines are now your stitching lines, and you're going to take this to your sewing machine and you're going to stitch down on all 8 of your squares that you have put together. Once you have that done, you're going to take it back to your mat, and it's going to look like this. Then you're going to take your ruler, lay it down on top, and you're going to do a rotary cutting up to divide these in half. You're going to end up with 1 square that equals 2 triangles. You're going to take it to the ironing board, and you're going to press them open. Once you have them all pressed, you're going to go back to your mat, and you're going to lay your half square triangle on your mat. This is where you're going to need your tucker trimmer. Now, with the tucker trimmer, you're going to have a center line that's very solid. You have 2 dots, a solid dot and a half dot. The half dot side is your halves, and the whole dot is your whole numbers. So we want the half side. We want the 2 1/2. So now the solid line down the diagonal down the center lines up with this center line here. You're going to lay it down on top, and you're going to then take your rotary cutter, and you're going to go make sure everything is lined up. You're going to go up and across. Now, if you're right-handed, please refer to your instruction book. Then you're going to take and you're going to rotate your unit 180 degrees. So now your clean side is now facing the opposite side. Lay this back down. Again, remember this lines up with that center seam. And you're going to lay it down. Now that you have a nice clean edge, your 2 1/2 dashed line is going to line up on top of your clean line. You're then going to line everything up again, which I have, and you're going to take your rotary cutter again and go up and across. Now we have nice clean half square triangle. You're going to make a total of 16 of these, and they measure 2 1/2 inches unfinished. So now we are ready for our next step. We're now going to start working on our square and a square units.